This week on stage.
Step out in the black, black, under the show, back, shot, a lot, man, swat, New York, now go take back shot, and enough, girl, I get ups. So we no lazy, alright then.
And I remember Buju Banton telling me as well, Easy, I like how you move, you. Yes, I like that, because I hear you don't do that all over the place thing. And I say, yes, Buju. Yes, it's right. Because if you go to something the Sunday, something the Monday, this and that Tuesday, that and that Wednesday, something the Thursday, and something the Friday, who is going to pay to see you Saturday?
So we now go watch. Never gonna. Like a ship we have to sail again. Would I never see me call me friend again? Watch it.
Internationally acclaimed OnStage with Winford Williams. So much more than entertainment.
I suspect you like that video. For more, click and be on our stage always.